Today, I will show you how to clone your Windows hard disk for free. Windows 11 has been officially released for some time, and many eligible Windows 10 users have performed Windows 11 free upgrade from Windows 10. Immediately afterwards, some users want to find a reliable Windows 11 cloning software to help them clone disks on Windows 11. Many users want to replace the original disk to get better computer performance. Cloning a hard drive can easily transfer all the data on the original one to the new one. AOMEI Backupper is the most reliable and comprehensive cloning software for Windows 11 users on the market. In addition to Windows 11, it is also suitable for other operating systems, such as Windows 10, 8, 7, Windows XP and Vista. Cloning a hard drive means creating a digital copy of the entire data on another hard drive. You can easily retrieve any lost data on the original disk through this backup. For most users, migrating the operating system by reinstalling the operating system, system settings, and other necessary applications is a big project. In contrast, OS cloning saves time and effort. With its help, you can clone HDDs, SATA SSDs, NVMe M.2 SSDs, USB flash drives, and SD cards. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get new video updates.